Ingredients: 2 shallots, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon tarragon leaves, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon parsley leaves, finely chopped, 3 egg yolks, 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes, salt and pepper, to taste. In a small saucepan, combine shallots, white wine vinegar, tarragon, and parsley. Bring to a simmer over medium heat. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the liquid is almost evaporated. Remove the pan from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. In a separate, heat-proof bowl, whisk together the egg yolks. Set the bowl over a pot of simmering water, making sure the bottom of the bowl is not touching the water. Slowly pour the shallot mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly. Gradually add the butter to the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly, until the sauce thickens and emulsifies. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Keep the sauce warm over the pot of simmering water until ready to serve. Béarnaise sauce is a classic French sauce that is often served with grilled meats such as steak, but it can also be served with fish, vegetables or eggs dishes.